Hi, this is Westgate Real Estate and Westgate Property Management, and I am outside of 728 Petaluma Boulevard South, and this is video number 2, but I want to give you a view of the outside area of this home. There is a second unit in the back. Tenant does have these 2 parking spots, the first 2. They also have access to this storage area. Really nice large area with lights. Plenty of room to store bikes and Christmas and anything like that. And then I want to share the garden. It's pretty rare that we have such a lovely garden to share with tenants, but this one is pretty extraordinary. So tenants have access to use this area. It is really lovely, big trumpet vine. It's almost like a winery or a beautiful location to have a meal. And there's a beautiful pergola here with a patio and a large French style table the owners are willing to share with the tenant. So just a really nice, beautiful, get in the shade so you can see how absolutely exquisite this area is. I'll walk back through from this side as well. That gate goes to the cottage's yard. Beautiful flowering vine and raised beds. So again, this is 728 Petaluma Boulevard South. Come and check out our open house and see this beautiful garden.